Hey everyone, Paul James here, and thank you so much for stopping by this video. Today's training is going to be on pay-per-click advertising and using it for affiliate marketing. Now, the benefits of this is that you can start making money right away without needing things such as a website and without doing crazy search engine optimization or backlinking. And it's a really unique strategy for someone who's looking to get started in internet marketing, but doesn't want to go through the time of setting up complicated WordPress websites and ranking them in Google and all of this stuff. So we can actually use pay-per-click to drive traffic. And even if you are using websites to make money, it's always a good idea to use pay-per-click first to make sure that the actual market you're in is actually a winner and that you can actually make money with it before you take the time to actually go and rank a website and waste money spitting tons of backlinks at it. So let's jump in and talk a little bit about pay-per-click and using it for affiliate marketing. Now, pay-per-click and affiliate marketing is something that I've been doing for quite a while. Even before I really got started doing internet marketing full time, I actually learned about doing pay-per-click marketing and affiliate marketing back when I was about 16 years old, and I'm 25 right now, so I have quite a bit of experience with it. And let me show you exactly what it is. So let's say you came to Google and you typed in the word juicer, right? And you might be interested in purchasing one or learning more about it. But at any rate, you get these results that pop up here in this yellow box. These are pay-per-click advertisements. And then over here on the right, these are pay-per-click advertisements. And basically the way this works is when someone comes and they click on one of these advertisements, right? They get charged, the person who's advertising it gets charged a certain, dollar amount, or usually it's a few cents for, clicking on it, for the person clicking on it. And normally, they're trying to sell something. In this example, they'd probably be trying to sell a juicer, right? So that's a little bit about what it is. And you see this on a lot of different sites too. This is Google, but what about Bing? What if we came to Bing and typed in juicer, right? We'd get the same kind of results here. We see the Vitamix here, KitchenAid citrus juicer, the NutriBullet, and then we see stuff over here too, juicers at Macy's, juicers at JCPenney. So these are all ads that people are paying for to show up. And even Facebook, something you're on every day, right? You see these little sponsored sections over here? These are all paid per click advertising. And, you just target it based on interest, which is really cool. And we'll talk more about that as well. So that's what paid per click is. And let's talk about how we actually make money with this. So first we need to decide on, kind of the offer we want to push, because a lot of these places here have their own website, it looks like, right? But we can actually use affiliate marketing and we can push the traffic right to an offer and make money right away. So for example, let's take a look at some of the offers that are here. All right, let's say that we're interested in targeting, let's say someone interested in an iPhone, okay? So I'm at this website called offervault.com. And this is a great website because what it does is it takes everyone who's looking to get more leads basically for their business or for their product, and it puts them on this website. And it shows exactly what offer they're looking for, what it is that they're, looking to do. And then it shows the payout, what they're going to pay you for every lead that you bring in. And then it shows the network where you can get access to that offer. So I'm going to type in iPhone. I'm going to hit search. And let's see exactly what pops up. So we've got a lot of offers up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and look for a good offer. These are all, they kind of have to do with the iPhone. So let's check out this one. This is kind of an interesting one. This Audible offer, right? 30-day free trial and a free audiobook. Now, I don't know if you're aware, but Audible is this service where you can buy basically ebooks that are read to you through your phone or your iPhone or iPad or iPod. So you buy the book and then it actually reads it to you, which is kind of cool. I know I use this kind of stuff if I'm like driving and I'm looking to pass the time on a long trip. I can get these books read to me. So anyways, we can learn more about exactly what it is. You know, if you don't know about it, I already know about this, but if you didn't know about it, you can see they can choose from 60,000 audiobook titles, and it's an app for the iPhone. That's actually where I have it, but it also is for Android and the Windows Phone. So the cool part is once you generate this lead, they're going to pay you $23.59 for every single person that decides they want to try this 30-day free trial. So just a free trial, that's all it is. So what you can do is you can see what network it's on. This one's on, you know, this monetized CPA network. And you can click this orange button to join the network and sign up for their affiliate network and get access to that offer. So from there, what would you do? Well, you'd have to drive traffic to it by advertising on one of these, you know, traffic routes, either Bing, Facebook, Google AdWords. Some other ones are 7search.com. That's one that I use a lot. And you can actually get traffic from these sites really, really cheap. And then plentyoffish.com, I use pay-per-click advertising too. And Plenty of Fish is actually a dating site. So you'd want to think about, you know, what kind of offer you're targeting and what site is going to be best to purchase your pay-per-click advertising on. And I'll run through how to set up one of these campaigns too, so that you know exactly how to do it. Let's talk more about finding offers. Maybe you're already signed up for a network. In my case, let's say I'm signed up for Max Bounty. Okay, MaxBounty.com is a CPA network, and they have a lot of offers already. So I mentioned Plenty of Fish advertising, and they have pay-per-click. And what's nice about that is you already know that everyone on plentyoffish.com is interested in dating, right? So why not come into another CPA network and look for a dating offer, right? So let's come in here and type in dating. I'm going to hit search. And it's going to find me all of the dating offers. Now, let's go and actually see what offer would work good. So I'm just looking through here, and what I'm looking for is the CPA rate, because obviously that's important, right? We want to make sure we can make some decent money. And the other thing we're looking for is what they have to do in order for them to pay us that money. So normally, if the CPA rate is lower, it usually means the person has to do less. Like maybe they just have to enter their name and email address. But if the CPA rate is higher, like $15, then maybe it's a little bit more complicated. Maybe they have to enter in a credit card and sign up for a trial that way. So I'm kind of interested in this one right here. These B2 dating 35 plus, and they even nail it down to specific: Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. So why am I interested in this? Well, this is kind of cool because this is targeted, right? We've got our exact targets. We're going to target only people in the UK, and we're going to target people who are 35 plus. So let's click on one of these and see actually what it looks like. We can actually preview the landing page by clicking here. So this is why we don't need to have our own website. Now it's probably making a little bit more sense. We don't need to have our own website because they're providing us with the landing page. So someone comes here, they fill in this information, and they pick out a username, password, email address, and hit this. And they get taken through the registration process, and it's a free trial again, so they don't have to pay for anything. We get paid $5.30 a lead for that. So here's what we would do. Let's go through setting this up. So obviously Plenty of Fish advertising, which by the way, to get to that, it's ads.pof.com, and you can sign up for an account here. Let's go in, we're going to hit this green button, create a campaign, and let's actually get this thing making money right away. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in our name of our campaign. So what I like to do is I like to type in, you know, B2 UK dating 35, just so that I know exactly what it is. So we'll do B2 dating, and then put 35, and then I'll also put UK so I know my target. So minimum bid here. Let's check this out. Recommended bid, minimum bid is 16 cents. The recommended bid they're saying is 40 cents to 80 cents. Well, of course, they're going to recommend that I bid a little bit higher. So I'm going to go and I'm going to start with 16 cents. And if I'm not getting a lot of traffic, I can always bump that up. So now we need to work with the targets here. Now, look at all these targets that they have. They have the gender, the age, the country, marital status. I mean, it goes on and on. We already know, let's go back to the offer here. we already know that we want to target the UK, and we already know that we want to target people who are 35 plus. So I'm going to come back here and we're going to start entering those targets in. So let's start with the age. I'm going to do 35 and oops. And you can see I set between here. So I'm doing between 35 and I think I'll go to 50. And when I hit 50, you have to hold down Command, or if you're on a Windows machine, Control. I'm on a Mac, and that'll select 50. We hit this little arrow, and then we can hit Add Target, and here it goes. It shows they're only going to show the ad to people who are between age 35 and 50, right? Okay, so now we're going to go a step further. We're going to grab the location because they're in the United Kingdom, right? So let's actually target that now. So we're going to select country is equal to, and let's see, here's the United Kingdom right here. And we're going to hit the little arrow to go over. We're going to add the target. Okay, so that's pretty good so far. Now we can come and we can start creating our ad. So what kind of things do we want on our ad? So let's name our ad first off so we know what it is. I'm just going to name it Ad 1. And what we're going to do is for the title, I'm going to actually open up this landing page. And I don't know, let's just go with something like this. Straightforward. Find your partner quick and easily. Maybe we'll use that for something. Quick and easily. Now, let's see. What else is on here that we could use? Maybe I see that they're mentioning accurate profiles. So that's obviously something that maybe people who are signing up for dating sites are really, watching out for. Are the profiles accurate? So maybe we'll put accurate profile, straightforward, find your partner quick and easily. Okay, and then we need to find a picture that's going to fit this. So we could actually snap one right from here if we want, which is probably what I'm going to do. Now notice it says image size has to be 110 by 80, and larger image sizes will be resized, so that's fine. I'll choose a file. I'm going to grab it, hit open, and there it is. So there's my ad. Very easy. Click through URL. That's this right here. So we come back to Max Bounty, and now we need to grab our creative type. So I'm going to do search. I'm going to get tracking code, and here it is. I'm going to copy that, come back to Plenty of Fish, paste it in, and now I just need to agree to terms of service, agree to their payment terms, and confirm that my content adheres to the advertising guidelines. And again, if you want to open this stuff up to read all of this, like the advertising guidelines, this is a good thing to read, to know exactly, the kind of things your ads can contain and can't contain. And I highly recommend you go through and you read that when you're advertising. So there we go. Let's create the campaign. Also we can choose the dates too. So, maybe we want to do a start date of today. We don't care when it ends, so we'll leave it blank. Maybe we want to set max daily spend only $10. Maybe we want it to distribute all right at once, or maybe we want to distribute it evenly throughout the day. Frequency cap. This means how many times people see the ad. So you can set it. The default is 5, so the person will see the ad 5 times and then they'll stop showing it to them. So the default is good for me. Okay, so now we can hit create campaign, and I need to add money to my account. So if you don't have money added to your account, just go ahead and add it in here, and you can add your credit card and whatever, and add in the money to your account, and then your ad will show up there. And basically it needs to get approved. That approval process can take about 24 hours usually. And what'll happen is you'll start getting traffic to the ad, and in Max Bounty or whatever company that you're working with doing this affiliate marketing, you'll start seeing, the money coming in as people start actually taking action and doing that registration and signing up for a free trial. You'll get paid this $5.30 per lead. And remember, we set our advertising budget to be only 16 cents per 1,000 impressions. CPM stands per 1,000 impressions. So every 1,000 times the ad appears, we're only going to get charged 16 cents. So you can see it's a very cheap way to get this in front of people, not have a website, and to make some money online if you're just starting out without having to go through all of the crazy stuff like search engine optimization and backlinking and building websites, because we all know that can get really complicated and time consuming. Alright, so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if you'd like more information and want some more training, I do this kind of thing pretty often. Just visit pauljames.com/training, and you can get added to the notification list when I put out more free training like this, and I'll be happy to share some more great tips with you. Thanks again for coming by my channel. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think.